Hey, also Skylar Robinowski come back to y'all for another video. He's got this new let me see here, this new Red Dead Redemption Xbox One, and I didn't know it. I got this one in there right now. There's this too, and then also I got added this on to the download, the Warhorse and the Outlaw Survival Kit game add-on, and there's how much it's done got downloaded right there. 39.5%. And here's what the back looks like. It says America 1899. The end of the Wild West has begun. Outlaws for life. And there's the box. And my old buddy, he thinks he's gonna come down here and play him some. No, my old buddy, he think he gonna come down here and play him a little bit of that game. He's crazy. I'm not letting him come down here and play my game, lay up on my game. He can watch. I'm gonna be playing it, but yeah, let's see. I got this DS1. I already got 34 something gigabytes downloaded of 84.67 gigabytes, 40%. And then I got this right here, Red Dead Redemption 2 pre-order bonus. I got a download out. And then I got to update my Call of Duty Black Ops 4, but I'm trying to get this Red Dead done first. I got this to do, then I got this to do. This one's in here, in the game, and here's this too. There's this too. Insert, it says insert this 2 second, do not make illegal copies. So yeah, and yeah, you guys, I got it downloaded now. I'll let y'all know how it is when I get it started up. But yes, Skylar Robinowski, y'all like, subscribe, favorite, follow me, and everything else. And he's out, y'all.